Shongdor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagajing beteng ya kathama ya khun persha ya Drok hapo kajela. Menteri rangba kajela Conrad ke sangma hanekasngi Ïalam ya ka high level and district level drug disposal committee jong ki pulet kajela Meghalaya. Ban Thang no ya Drok bat ki wei ki jingti balong bean bala yo kurup hapo kajela ki ba Shongdor hadu san phulai point prabhundu Klur Hastar Cement Limited Lumshnong East Chanta Hills District. Hagani ka sile don lang ki sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Preston song bat uba snya bahlang dhar ka menteri ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka jela ka kong amperin lingdo ka MLA ka kong Santa Mary Shilla bat kiwe ki rupa khman habakrana ka nigasngi menteri rangba ka jela ula pentikna baga jela ka dangai beteng ban penkut no ya ka jingjele jong Drok ubala penjat ya ka jing im jong ki babun ki samla ula ongru ba ka sarkar jela lingba ka drug reduction elimination and action mission lani ka dream ka kershan ni ki samla ki batlat na gajimut jimpur khat ha gajingale persha jongki banlat na gajingkerni na Drok ki te ki Drok bala Thang no ki kenthop ya ki bahap hapo ka NDPS ki bala penrung mukat duma ki Santali ke district ba kenthop ya ka East Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills Riboy West Janta Hills but East Janta Hills
Kaba habya khailang ye badon jong kini Drok sekolah apoi kom balajan poi sang pusat Klur tingkat akaba nakaliang jong polis nakaliang jong ki paibang asungu rom ye babun ki seng balang ki babun ki Snong ki tao ki be khailang rekan-rekan berkatim jong ki polis berkat sarkar ki baju ya ajing tim ya ki breu ki ba supply lani ki ba wanra ki ki jan Drok si pair hapok kajela kejuni dengan semua sebelum sibune usia semua sebelum sibune dia minta kasih kumba isia mila pakai ilala ban pendet kimde man sutu beklan mar don teng di bami ati kot bor lai pujai ka bejong ngikeli ki puli syanu ki bu ki Drok ki bagila FC dia ngong pi maria de pansis ka an ka NDPS ka ong dah apa saya kira bagi hapan sombit sebut, bagi hapan bu bahangin namla banlet dan muibat yang sombit sebut, bagi kadon lu ke komiti step by step, nadu ke district level komiti, hadu ke high level komiti, bagi nata rengkap, bagi direction kebawahan kebut, yang kini kita mengalah mentai ke bantang no, dari bant penduk jat no. Kadai hadir ngayo order na kebut. Dia nak kadau kini kita sudah business. Dang hau aja Al-Quran ngilala ban destroy yaki katu kani tenrei nama bahasa sakut akapun mentah kadeti kapun kala aja order ke clearance mengilapan pendet dengan kuah ban persyai hang kolong ba na kalian coba sarkar omdei bagi buri omdei bagi kuah ban pendiat de kumipa tenrei dei tang nak takadaw ka pelong ka kapur ka bapur bangi hapanian step by step kakum kanailaan kaba ka kaladon lepa apo jumi ngale tu ye pi yang kini kendian naru ilade ya ka ban play ya ka office ka kertam ka biong ka NTF team dari NTF office ka belum dedicated fully na ka benda kumno ki trash toman pendujai ki Drok apo ka jingala jong japal singu bare IPS USP, Bapek Bakmi, Nakamta Kejelam Nikla Jongi Barokoi, dengan Kermen Scam, dan Kejing Don, dan Kejing Pri, Jongi dari Office ke NTPF, Kaliru Karyaram, Sibun, Nanes Kama, Ban Pendu Jai, Ya Kiniki, Jai Jindi, Kiba Shirkei, Kiba Penjot, Om Tang Ya UWA, Ray Kiba Pun, Kiba Lang, Nadu Kikna, Kiba Ray, Hadu Kikna, Kiba Temen, dan Kirurang Ba, Kiba Temen, Kiba Ngok, Ha, Kiniki Jingli. Di nak daw nakaliang jungi kasorkan nginum tiak dengan dem bat ni kerpat rik yang parok ki stakeholders yang parok ki nok Shongdor jo cela jungi nginum ya kren su tang ya east jantia dan west jantia dan east kasih anrei hap parok keleng Shongdor jo cela me kala jungi tapi jungi nakaliang komen kolong ba tu ini trailer nadu kinong sensasyon nadu kinong sensyar Hima kumjuru ki seng bahalang ki bakero per ki seng kentei ki seng samasnong paro kabangi kerpat kolong tu ini trailer bat la degi yo ya beijing tip kanu kin sengo bahaban tertib sya ki police station dari police outpost jori ki bang ni nglapu ki direction ni la direction ka tikna ka paka kumno ban handle ya kini issue iba ni isyukay hadu katata. Tingi sengo burong nakaliang jo police department, bau chief minister daladehi, nang tau deputy chief minister bak sengo balang dah, hukum juri kong aprin i balong i minister jo ka health department, nang tai local i jungi kong santai dalang hakan kasgi, nang kamenta banyak penpau lang ya kecik sengo kia jungi.
Deputy chief ministers, cabinet colleagues, MLAs, our DGP and other officials of the police department, of the administration, and all the other individuals who are present out here today. Today, the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs, is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past, and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and a team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT and the anti-narcotics task force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely. Today, as our Deputy Commissioner has mentioned, that drugs worth over 53 crores have been destroyed, which includes almost about 23.98 crores worth of heroin, which has been destroyed, about 7.6 crores worth of ganja, about 21.3 crores worth of white crystal meth, and many other forms of drugs and substance abuse that is there. The materials, those have been today destroyed. And again, as mentioned by DGP, we have in our stock more that will be destroyed in the coming months, but there are procedures that need to be followed as per law, and certain permissions need to be taken from the court. And as a very strong message to our state, our citizens, that we are very serious about this, and this particular war and the fight against drugs will continue. But in order for us to overcome this, we need to work together. And so I also take this opportunity to appeal to the citizens, to the community, to our people, that we must be in this together and work together as a team. I'm happy today that our health minister also is here. Health Ministry Department has a huge role to play. The Social Welfare Department is also playing a very active role and is anchoring, in fact, the DREAM project and the mission that we have, which is to eliminate and also provide rehabilitation to the drug users in the best possible manner and eliminate drugs in terms of the supply that is there coming into our state and the country as well.
It amounts to more than 53 crores, the market value. These are drugs. These are drugs that have been seized in different cases, in a total of 56 different cases from different districts of Eastern Range. So we would like to inform that we have the amount of seized drugs in Eastern Range, which is still waiting for disposal, is nearly double what we are disposing today, sir. We are hoping to get the necessary court orders to expedite that process. Unfortunately, the gap between the last time we had such a big disposal and now, sir, it's nearly 2 years. In fact, more than 2 years. We had the last time the one in 2022. We hope to be making this a regular affair so that it doesn't keep accumulating, and all those allegations that there has been siphoning off from the Malkhanas, etc., does not keep recurring. I would like to assure everybody present here that whatever is seized and whatever is shown in and forwarded to court remains court property until we get an order from court for disposing. So there's no question of any kind of pilferage or any kind of deviation from the norms that have been set under the NDPS rule. Further, I would also like to inform that under the NDPS rules, what we have disposed of today will have to be certified by the committee which has been set up for this particular purpose. The IOs of the various cases are here today, or the OCs of the police station from which the case has been registered and which the seizing has been made, will then give a certification, and this certification goes to court, and only then the whole process of disposal of any seized drugs is completed. The amount that has been disposed of today is minus the amount drawn for samples for sending for either for testing or for other purposes. While we are destroying a majority of the drugs that have been seized, this would include heroin and ganja. We have more than 2,600 kgs of ganja being destroyed today. We have more than 3 kgs of heroin being destroyed today. We have a small quantity of opium, but that goes to the opium center in Ghazipur, which we are mandated to do, and we have in fact coordinated with the National Narcotics Control Bureau, which has facilitated and ensured that we adhere to all these rules under the NDPS.